Today, I'm going to teach you how to create the best message, the best brand, how to make a premium original content that's going to connect with your customer.
What I'm bringing to you today is my experience to speak with you about your customers, the face of your brand, and the platforms that you need to be utilizing in your marketing strategy to make it effective.
So what's the problem you have in Web3 marketing? A lot of people think that NFTs are a scam, crypto's a scam, AI is going to kill everyone, etc. And also, getting attention is difficult through traditional means.
Who is the #1 Web3 customer? What do they want, Web3 brands? Where are they? And when you find them, what is it that you want them to do? How are you going to appeal to them?
You have to be highly targeted. You want to make premium original content about stuff your customer actually cares about, delivered by a face that they trust.
You have two paths, and both have to lead to making your brand trustworthy. Which one is easier, to teach someone to be magnetic or to teach someone to be an expert in your product?
What do you do once you deploy the content on the internet? You double down on the winners, the ones that are generating actual business results for you, and then kill all the losers with fire.
Guys, if you're a Web3 brand and you're not in X spaces, you are majorly missing out.